100 BBQs!
They were doing the battle of Blues Hog.
We're taking Blues Hog's two greatest creations, their original barbecue sauce and their raspberry chipotle barbecue sauce. We're slathering both on a rack of ribs, and we're gonna see which Blues Hog sauce is the very best to put on your ribs.
Rib wrap, all day sauce, hot, honey, butter. Okay, now wrap it up. Now go back in the dish.
After 2 hours in the smoke and 1 hour wrapped up, it's time to unwrap these ribs. Let's get some sauce on them. They're very pretty looking right now. These things smell great. I probably don't even need to put sauce on. These would be delicious. We're gonna go with the original on this one and going with the raspberry chipotle on this one. Original, raspberry chipotle.
The battle of the Blues Hog came down to the very end. It was a close one, a split decision. Me personally, I chose for the original, but everybody else, they wanted that raspberry chipotle. So I'll go with the eyes. Raspberry chipotle wins the battle of the Blues Hog. If you know a different barbecue sauce to put on ribs, remember we got a whole competition going. Check us out soon. 100 BBQs.